The not-so-secret life of Tangerine. Who's behind the orange? Ever heard of a bank that offers high-interest savings accounts, zero monthly fees, and all from the comfort of your couch? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what Tangerine Bank promises. But have you ever stopped to wonder, where exactly does Tangerine come from? Who's the big bank behind the bright orange brand? If you're a Canadian looking to open a new account or simply curious about the financial world, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tangerine and uncovering the answer to the burning question, which bank supports Tangerine? For those unfamiliar, Tangerine offers a whole suite of banking products, checking and savings accounts, mortgages, credit cards, and even investment options. Their focus? Convenience and affordability. They boast a completely online platform, meaning no need to waste time in crowded branches. Plus, their fee structure is known for being friendly on your wallet. But with all this talk of a digital bank, a question naturally arises: is Tangerine a bank itself, or is it just a cool name slapped on some existing financial institution? Well, the answer might surprise you. Tangerine isn't actually a completely independent bank. Instead, it's a subsidiary, a wholly owned one at that, of a much larger and well-established Canadian bank, the Bank of Nova Scotia, often shortened to Scotiabank. Think of it like this: Tangerine is the hip, online-savvy little brother to Scotiabank's more traditional banking approach. Scotiabank, with its long history and physical branches across the country, provides the financial muscle behind Tangerine's innovative offerings. This connection offers several advantages for Tangerine customers. Firstly, it provides a layer of security. Because Tangerine is a subsidiary of Scotiabank, deposits held in Tangerine accounts are covered by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, just like they would be at any other Scotiabank branch. The CDIC protects your eligible deposits up to a certain limit in case of a bank failure, offering peace of mind for your hard-earned cash. Secondly, the Scotiabank connection allows for some neat features. For instance, Tangerine customers can access their accounts through Scotiabank ATMs, which means a wider network for withdrawals and deposits. This can be particularly useful if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need cash and there's no Tangerine-specific option nearby. There are also some potential drawbacks to consider. While Tangerine offers a variety of financial products, the selection might not be as extensive as what you'd find at a traditional bank like Scotiabank. Additionally, because Tangerine operates mostly online, there is no face-to-face customer service readily available. This might not be ideal for everyone, especially those who prefer the personalized touch of a branch visit. So, to wrap it all up, Tangerine is a subsidiary of Scotiabank. This means you get the convenience and innovation of a digital bank with the security and backing of a major financial institution. Ultimately, the decision of whether Tangerine is the right fit for you depends on your banking needs and preferences. If you value a user-friendly online platform and appreciate fee-friendly options, Tangerine could be a great choice. But, if you require a wider range of products or prefer the in-person support of a branch, a traditional bank might be a better option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.